The project, Transforming Political Capabilities for Equitable Resilience, POLCAPS, led by University of York, aims to transform the political capabilities of marginalized groups in the study cities of Nepal and Thailand. South Asia Institute of Advanced Studies, one of the project partners in Nepal, is undertaking this research project in Karvebhanjyang, Ward number 9 of Dhilikhel Municipality. In Karvebhanjyang, we focus on improving the political capabilities of marginalized groups to influence decision making and improve their access to water supply. During the early phase, we relied on literature reviews and telephone conversations with a number of ward chairs in Dhilikhel Municipality and other informants to collect the information, as we were unable to start our field visits due to the COVID-19 restrictions. As the restrictions were gradually eased, we started our field visits and mapping exercises through focus group discussions. We conducted one focus group discussion with key informants and 9 focus group discussions at 9 different settlements of Karvebhanjyang. In each mapping exercise, we asked the participants to draw and locate the water sources along with other major features such as road, river and forest of their settlement. This was followed by discussions on the available water sources, history of water management, state of water access for different social groups, and other socio-political aspects. During the discussion, communities shared that several efforts have been undertaken at Karvebhanjyang for managing water supply with support from the local authorities, non-governmental agencies, and the community themselves. However, they also informed that there exist several challenges in the water supply system and not all communities have equal access to water services. In the same discussion, they reported the multiple spring sources in Karvebhanjyang were untapped and underutilized. The communities opined that these sources, if managed properly, would help to sustainably manage water in this urbanizing hilly ward. To gain a clear and shared understanding of the availability and reliability of these water sources, we conducted the mapping of local spring sources in collaboration with the local government and the local communities. Accompanied by the local resource person, we visited the water sources primarily being used for drinking water purposes and collected coordinates of each of the water sources using a GPS. We also collected the socio-political and environmental aspects of the sources through consultation with local resource person and informal conversation with the locals. After this, we prepared maps from the coordinates collected by plotting them in ArcGIS 10.4. On 27 December 2021, we also organized a municipality-level workshop to share the preliminary findings of our study and provide a forum for community, ward, and municipality to discuss problems and possible solutions for equitable and sustainable water management in Karvebhanjyang. Following the preliminary mapping, we organized a meeting with newly elected ward members on 20 August 2022 to formally introduce our project to them and share the preliminary findings of the water sources mapping conducted at Karvebhanjyang. On 10 September 2022, we then organized a village-level meeting at Karvebhanjyang in collaboration with the ward office and verified and triangulated the source locations with inputs from the communities. Finally, we conducted the next round of field visit to the sources that were not captured during the previous source identification survey and later added them in the map and report. On 3 March 2023, together with the municipal government, we co-organized a final sharing and interaction workshop and handed over the maps and hydrosocial reports to the ward and municipal governments. The local governments and the communities have appreciated the report and maps as an important contribution to jointly plan and implement sustainable and equitable water management options in Karvebhanjyang.